Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about Python numbers. So this is my idle. This is my idle. So first of all, you have to create a file. So you have to click on File option here and click on New File and save this file as. Go to the Documents and go to the Python programs. And here, create Python numbers.py. So save this file as python number.py. So here I will write we will discuss about Python numbers. So basically, Python have three types of numbers, and first is int, and second is float, and third is complex. Third is complex. So how can we define int? X is equal to any number. So it is considered to be int. It is considered to be int. And what is float? Y is equal to 1.56. So this is considered to be float. And what is there? What is complex? So 1 plus 2z. So all these things like 1 plus 2z, 1 plus 2k. So all these things will come under complex. So for this, I will print it. So we will print y. We will print z. So we will print the type of the every variable also. Just copy it and write type of use type. That's it. Or you can do it like this. Just copy it and just paste it 2 times. Just paste it 2 times. And I will just change the variables. I will change the variables. So click on F5 and save it. So we got the output. So 20 is a integer, 1.56 is a float, and 1 plus 2 z is a complex. So this is how we can represent the int, float, and complex in Python. So in Python, I'll just I'll just comment all these things. Yeah. So I have commented this thing, and for example, we can give for example E2E15. So what it is? Let's print it. What will come? So print x and print type of x. So so it is considered to be float. So we can use E to represent that number as a float. So this is how we can give the float. So in this way also we can give the float. I'll just comment this thing also. So I have commented it, and I will remove this thing. So here, we have given x is equal to 20, it's an integer, and y is equal to 1.56, it is a float, and z is equal to 1 plus 2z, it is a complex. So now I want to change the data type. I want to change A is equal to float of x. Float of x. So what we will get? Just print it. Just print A and print the type of type of A. So I will just comment these things. So yeah, press F5 and save it. See, we are getting float. We are getting float. But what is x? X is an integer. So x is an integer. X is an integer. See here, 20 is a integer. But I have converted the 20 into float by using float. I have used one variable a, and I have written a equal to assignment, and I have written the float, and I have typecasted the x. I have typecasted the x. So I have changed the integer value to the float value. So like this we can change. So like this we can change. For example, b is equal to int of y. So y, what is y? Y is a float, but I am converting the y into integer. Integer. So I'll just print type of b. So let's execute again. See, we got a integer. So these decimal points have gone. So first it is a float, and now it is an integer, and floating points have gone. Floating points have gone. So this is how we can typecast the float into. For example, I want to convert complex of x. So I want to convert the integer into complex. How can I do it? Print c and print type of c and press F5 and say OK. So we got 20 plus 0, 0. 20 plus 0, 0. So this is how we can typecast the variables. We can convert the integer into the float into integer, and integer into complex. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So here also I'll do comment. Here also I'll do comment. Here too. So we have commented all the code. We have commented all the code. So here I'll write. Here I'll write. So we can generate random numbers in Python. We can generate the random numbers in Python. So how can you create a random numbers? So first of all, you have to import a random. So first of all, you have to import random, and just you have to print random dot rand range. So 1 comma 10. So in between 1 comma 10, we will get the output. We will get the output. So I hope everything is fine. Fine. So just press F5 and save it. I think you will get a random number in between 1 and 1 to 10. So you'll get 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 8, any number you'll get. See, I have got the 2. So now I'll run again. Now I got 5. I'll run again. Now I'll get 9. So this is how we can create the random numbers in Python. We can create the random numbers in Python. So that's it, friends. These are the numbers which are present in Python in float and complex. And we have typecasted the each and every number in Python, and we have seen the random. We have seen the random. It's a random function also. Random. It's a random library. So you'll get the all the functionalities by using random. So you can get the random number. You have to import the random library. So that's it, friends. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to our friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.